Hey guys, Tiny Teen Hero Boy here, and today we are with
Trustin plays Fortnite. I'm in campus.
And a special guest. And today we are opening up this 3-pack of Unbroken Bonds. And then we also have another guy, but he does not have a channel, so we're calling him random guy.
Oh yeah, he's a Shadow Sneaker.
Actually, I do.
Guys, who cares? Shadow Sneaker. And we also got Shadow Sneaker. We're opening up this Shadow Sneaker 51. Go check out both of their channels. Sneaker. Yeesh. So here we each gonna have a pack. 1,
Don't check out my channel because I don't post much.
2.
That's a joke. I don't post much, but please check out my channel. All my videos are trash. That's a joke. Even though they are.
Guys, I'm trying in 3. Those are all 3 packs.
They can't see any of the packs.
We have the coin. I know. Here's the. Since we got that, we got the Sceptile. And then we got the code card. There y'all go. Now let us crack into the packs. I'm going first. Guys, we each picked our packs. I have a Gardevoir and Sylveon. And I'm going to open it up. Sorry. And I can barely squeeze my hands through to my review station. You want to move to a different part?
Let's move somewhere.
We're going to move. Okay, so I'm going first. But we had to move with a Sylveon and Gardevoir pack. Buy pack. There we go. There's the code. Card trick. Sure there. We got Psychic, Energy, Torcat, Poliwhirl, Gloom, Cottony, Ekans, Carvana, Unana, Litten, Clefairy, Venonat, and a regular rare Aggron. Now, so next we got Trustin Plays Campers.
Hey guys.
No.
Oh yeah.
You open it from the bottom.
I don't care. I don't care. You know what? Yeah, you know what? You're right.
One thing, open it from the bottom, or you can open it up from those 2 on the middle, which I usually don't.
Okay, got it.
And he's opening up this pack.
Okay, so we got it.
Pull out the code card.
Code card. Okay, so here's the code card.
And then do the card trick, 4 to the back.
4 to the back. Well, now I got
4 to the front.
1. Okay, we got a Electric Energy, Martial Arts, Dojo, a Fairy, a Fairy Charm, Poliwhirl, Tangela, Venonat, Rattata, Goldeen, Duramaca, Arbok, and Vikavolt.
Hollow.
Whatever.
And on to the final person. Shadow Sneaker 51s. I mean, 51. Yeah. And he is opening up his pack. That's also another way to do it. Show the code.
Here's the code.
Upside down.
Oh, you're upside down. Yeah.
Really?
That's the code. Go ahead again.
It says that.
Okay. So we got an energy card.
Dark energy.
Dodrio, Raticate, Weeping Bell, Seal, Gengar, Mischievous, Growlithe, Pikachu,
And a regular rare Persian.
Yep.
And that's going to end off the video.
Wait, this is mine, right?
Goodbye. Wait.